The Pointe Orlando is on International Drive, and it is getting a Taffers Tavern, which is the one reason that I am heading over there. It's opening soon, so stay tuned. But what is at this Pointe place? Well, first, keep in mind there is a fee for parking. There's really nowhere else to park except for either valet or in the large parking structure, which you do have to download an app or go to their website to pay using your license plate, so keep that in mind. Pointe Orlando has a ton of restaurants. Now, this appears to me to be the happy hour central. Just walking around, I saw a ton of signs advertising happy hours, and a lot of people were there at these different locations. So it's a really cool setup place. It has lots of seating and just random little places to check out. But the best thing about this place is that it's outside. So if you're coming to Orlando or if you're a local and you want to hang out, this is definitely a spot to do so. There's a few stores. A lot of stuff doesn't open until later in the day, so check out the directory and just make sure what you want to do is open. There are a couple like kid arcade play areas. There was an indoor golf spot. There's lots of nightlife. There's a comedy club, a movie theater. There's definitely a ton to see. So sit back, relax, let's take a look.